This recipe never fails. No matter how big a portion I cook, there's never any leftovers. So stay tuned if you want to learn how to prepare this version of Cheats Chicken Kiev with mash and green beans. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees or 180 degrees Celsius with a fan. Then trim the green beans. Peel and finely chop the garlic and finely chop the parsley. Then peel and chop the potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Add the potatoes to a pot of water with a large pinch of salt, then bring to a boil over high heat and cook for about 15 or 20 minutes until soft. Once soft, you drain the potatoes and return them to the pan. Mash until smooth, slowly pouring enough milk to reach the desired consistency. You can season with salt and pepper and set aside covered until serving. Meanwhile, add the flour, eggs and panko breadcrumbs to 3 separate bowls. Beat the eggs lightly. Season the flour with salt and pepper. Then you pat the chicken breast dry, maybe using a kitchen paper, and turn them in the seasoned flour, then dip them in the beaten eggs and finally coat them in the panko breadcrumbs. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat with a drizzle of vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add the breaded chicken breasts and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on each side until golden. If the surface starts to brown too quickly, then reduce the heat to low. Optionally, you can also finish cooking the chicken in the oven for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, add the green beans to a pot with a pinch of salt and cover with boiling water. You can also steam your green beans if you prefer. But if you are cooking them in water, cook the beans over medium heat for 5 minutes until tender and then drain. Heat a second pot or pan over a medium-low heat with the butter and chopped garlic. Once melted, add the chopped parsley and cook for 1 or 2 minutes only. Make sure not to burn the butter or garlic. Serve the breaded chicken alongside the mash and green beans and drizzle everything with the garlic butter. And now for the tips. If you know you're going to be in a hurry and you want to save a bit of time, there's a couple of things you can do to make this faster for yourself. First of all, you can bread your chicken in advance, cover it and leave it in the fridge. You can do that even for overnight. And the second tip is your potatoes. Peel your potatoes, put them in a pot with cold water, leave them in the fridge or even on your countertop for a couple of hours and you're ready to go. I can't wait to tuck in. If you need more dinner ideas that you know won't fail you, you'll find them just here. But for now, bon appétit!